Working life can be challenging. To prepare for this, TH Wildau offers practical experience on our learning, research, and transfer platform. Wildauer Maschinen Werke. Our students develop real products, interdisciplinary ideas, and solutions for autonomous driving in our virtual vehicle manufacturing company. By working together on innovative driving assistance systems, they increase their knowledge in various application areas. From business computing to traffic systems engineering to telematics, each course of study contributes its expertise. But there is more to a functioning company. For example, smart logistics solutions or a sophisticated marketing concept for all relevant advertising channels. To design and manufacture these vehicles, we need bright minds and attention to quality and economic aspects. In this way, each course of study is involved and can contribute its core competencies. TH Wildau offers lectures and projects across all degree programs to promote this practical relevance. The WMW, Most Innovative Teaching and Research, made in Wildau.